Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Koffee returned to the island today after her Grammy win at the 62nd Grammy Awards held last month. During the press conference held at the Norman Manley International Airport, Koffee expressed her gratitude to the public.
I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone that's standing in this room and for everyone that will be watching this video. I'm elated to especially be supported, so strongly supported by my country. I just came back and I've been warmly welcomed, and I thank you for the continuous push and what I would say motivation from my fellow people, my fellow Jamaican people. This has been an honor, and this accomplishment for me now, it motivates me now to continue to inspire other youth and to highlight us as a country and to try to put us on even greater platforms as I go along my career. So I just want to thank everybody for being a part of my journey, and this is only the beginning, so we look forward to much more greatness.
Koffee won the Grammy for Best Reggae Album for her EP dubbed Rapture. The EP features her hit track Toast that was released in November 2018 and is produced by Izzy Beats and Walshy Fire of Major Lazer. The track has gained Koffee worldwide popularity and has gained over 63 million views on YouTube. Koffee is currently working on a new body of work but remained tight-lipped on the details.
Blessings all for my life and
Now, the RJR Galena Cross Country Invasion officially took over Turtle River Park in Ocho Rios on Friday afternoon. Patrons were treated to roots, rock and reggae with performances from Ibamar, Black Hero Exclusive, Progress, Person of Interest and Rondell Positive, among others.
Everyone out there opens for the soul. Cross country, for the innocent lives you take. The feather is never sleeping, he's always awake.
Polo, what me in? Polo shirt and me shorts, tight jeans with a clocks. On the road we a bruff. We no drink out a cup, yeah my popcorn. Yeah.
The Cross Country Invasion launch 2020 came to an exciting end at Ken's Wildflower in Portmore. The event saw a jam-packed venue with patrons being entertained by the Fame FM and RETV teams and some of the acts who will be on the road. Performances came from Macca Diamond, Tansa, Jadange, among others. The RJR Galena Cross Country Invasion is celebrating 16 years and will feature a series of radio and television outside broadcasts, church services, family fun days, street jams, social outreach activities, and of course some road shows. Region 1 kicks off this Saturday, February 8 with the street jams making stops at Portmore Mall. We're going to Crossroads as well as Papine and Stony Hill before climaxing at Oberlin High School for the family fun day. See you on the road. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.